In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks on interactive brokers. We'll walk through the process inside Trader Workstation, or TWS, so you can place a stock order confidently from start to finish. Begin by opening TWS and logging into your account. Once the platform loads, head to your watch list. This is where you'll find and stage the stocks you want to trade. Click an empty row in the watch list and start typing the stock's ticker symbol, like AAPL or TSLA. As you type, TWS shows matching results. Select the listing that shows the stock with SmartRouting. Smart tells interactive brokers to scan venues for the best available execution, which is ideal for most stock orders. Next, place your order by clicking the ask price shown next to the stock. The ask represents the lowest price a seller is currently willing to accept. Clicking it opens the order ticket pre-filled for a buy order at the ask. In the order ticket, confirm the action is set to buy. Enter the quantity, which is the number of shares you want to purchase. Then choose your order type. Market means you're asking to buy immediately at the best available price, which prioritizes speed but can vary from the last traded price. Limit lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. The order will only fill at your limit price or better. If you choose limit, type your limit price directly in the price field on the ticket so the system knows your cap. Set the time in force. Day means the order is active until the market closes today, and then it's canceled if it hasn't filled. GTC, or good till canceled, keeps the order working beyond today until it fills or you cancel it. Before you send, review the ticker, quantity, order type, limit price if used, and time in force to confirm everything matches your intent. When you're satisfied, click Transmit or Submit to send the order. If it's a market order during regular trading hours, it typically fills quickly. A limit order will fill when the market reaches your price. That's the full process for buying a stock in TWS. With a clear ticker, the right order type, and the appropriate time in force, you'll be set to execute with confidence.